It's Tuesday and I'm out on the Willoway docks. Let's take a walk through the dock. We have some great looking plants here to show you. So first up here we have hay-scented ferns, and I think Thad's going to talk about that, but we got a great looking crop here. Nice, big, heavy, full plants. These are in the American Beauties program. Great for naturalizing. Hay-scented fern. Here we have Coreopsis, the grub, and those are continually looking good. You can see, as he mentioned before, they nipped them back. They're coming back here. They got buds and blooms. They're looking fantastic. Behind them, we have the Petite Knockout. And again, the guys are doing those split trims on roses. They look great. Budleys, again, are looking sensational. You know, we have several varieties. No shortage of color variations or size variations. Here we're looking at Miss Molly, Miss Violet, and I think those are Pico, the new one in the Pugster series. So be sure to check out those Budleys. Gorgeous full plants loaded with buds and blooms. Here we have some perennial hibiscus. This one's Cherry Chocolate, and they're budded up. We have a few varieties coming on these. These are blooming in my yard. You know, the split trims on them have new fresh plants coming out with buds. Looking good. Beautiful crop here in our lavender. This one is the lavender phenomenal. Gorgeous color. Some new quercifolias. This is Gatsby Glow Ball from Proven Winners. Again, no shortage on Buddleia. Here we're looking at Pugster Blue. You can see all the buds on those gorgeous full 3-gallon plants. Pugster Blue. Here we got a landscape favorite. This is Heuchera Palisper. Here we have Hydrangea quercifolia Ruby Slippers. Look at those gorgeous plants. Nice clean foliage. Landscape ready. Here we have Hydrangea Stormproof. And these have a little short stature because of the way the split trims come on. They love to bloom. So short stature plant, but loaded with bud and bloom. This is a hot one. Stormproof. Really love to bloom the trees. Coming in. See a lot of burning bush on the dock. Again, these are a 3-gallon burning bush. Nice consistent tight plants there, clean foliage. That's going to be hot when we start to see the fall colors come on those. Then here we have Hydrangea Quickfire. Again, new crop. Just a few buds on the tip there. Then the barberry. We have the Sunjoy Mini Maroon. Looking good. Here we're looking at Thuya. This is Sting. So this is a really cool plant from Proven Winners. We have them in 3s and 7s. If you have a narrow space for a hedge, you know, they're narrow in size for as far as width, but not in height. So they make a great statement for some tight landscapes. Check this one out. This is a cool one. Thuya Sting. Background there, we're looking at some great grasses. Those are Cheyenne Sky. We have some Spirea, double play doozy. Again, these things bloomed all summer long. See great color on those. The background there, we're seeing the royal family, which is Prince and Princess in the pot. You can see the buds on them. We'll see fruit here shortly. Boy, these are hard to come by, so I would not wait on these. So we have tater tots in 2 gallons. Yucca Carmel. These continually look good. Nice, big, full, heavy plants. Gorgeous crop of the little Missy boxwood there. And then spin over here, we're looking at 3-gallon gold mount. Conifers are always a great landscape plant. We're looking at some 3-gallon old golds, and these big 3-gallon gray owls have been a hit this year. Ready to go for your landscape. Here we have some beautiful 3-gallon morning light plants. A peek at some 3-gallon Green Mountains. We also have Cranberry Creeks that are looking good. Wow, look at the color on these Paisley Pup Lakoki. These have been a hot seller out of that Deer Proof program this year. Get them while they're hot, they're going fast. Grab this pallet while they're loading it on the truck. Some 7-gallon boxes of green velvet. A few more grasses coming up here. We have our 3-gallon Strictus grass. Look at that color. Nice, full 3-gallon grasses. No shortage of grasses. We got a great looking crop. 3-gallon morning lights. Nice 3-gallon green velvets. Look at those gorgeous plants. Beautiful big crop of 3-gallon Carl Forster. These pallets just came in. I just wanted to show you those 25-gallon green giants. 7-footers. Man, that's landscape great. For a price point, this is an extremely good value. These are your 15-gallon green giants. Beautiful. Seeing some of those 7-gallon limelights look gorgeous plants. Pallets just came up. They're getting ready to go in the dock. These are those 20-gallon Tamiyuki-yamas. Those are landscape ready. Another cool grass. This is Schizocarium cinnamon sticks. Another bubbly we got here. This is Groovy Grape from First Editions. We're looking at some dianthus. This is part of the Paint the Town series. Looking great. Look at all the buds and blooms. Here we have the new Angelina Red. And this is Pure Joy Sedum. They're loaded with buds and blooms, guys. Look at those gorgeous plants. Here we have some allium. This one is Medusa. Look at those bulbs coming up there with flowers. Looking good. We're looking at Hydrangea Eclipse, and the guys have done a great job with this crop all season long. Nice full plants, clean foliage. Hydrangea Eclipse. Great plants here. We have the worry-free Ruby Snow Panicle Hydrangea, and then we have Amber Jubilee Physocarpus. These 2-inch Regal Prince here, oak, sitting outside the dock. Gorgeous 2-inch trees, 25 gallons, landscape grade. This is a Salix Iceberg Alley from First Editions. You know, we looked at this a couple times, but it's a very unique plant. Doesn't get very big. Got the great catkins in the spring. This beautiful silver foliage. Iceberg Alley. Here we're looking at some Easy Elegance roses, and just like all the other ones with knockouts and drifts, they're keeping these split trimmed, and you see these gorgeous bud and bloom plants. Easy Elegance roses. And here we're looking at some gorgeous proven winners coming up to the dock. Here we have Lemony Lace and gorgeous hibiscus bud and bloom. To give you another peek at those plants here, we're looking at Atlas roses, again bud and bloom, and that's the Star Blast hibiscus there from proven winners. Gorgeous, just loaded with buds. More trees coming up here. We have our 25-gallon Sargentinas. Look at the heads on those. Those are gorgeous. And coming down here, we have some more 7-gallon dissectums. Great mix of Japanese maples available. Be sure to check that availability. So that was a quick walk through the dock today. We've seen some gorgeous flowering shrubs and perennials, beautiful ornamental grasses, landscape ready size shrubs and trees. Be sure to give the sales team. Geez, I hope I load my truck for you.